Today we're going to do some air knifing. The air knife is a soil management tool. Simply, there's a part to it. There's a large compressor, a toe behind compressor, and we attach a hose here, and the air goes here and up through this end. At this point, it's no different than having a pipe attached to an air supply. But at the tip here, this is a special part. Unscrewing here. There's an aluminum oxide tip that's machined such that the air comes out of here in a straight line. And that is, it does not bell. Which means that the pressure within 2 inches of this tip is immense. This tip actually increases the pressure between the soil colloids, and it actually blasts them away from one another. In this way, we're actually, not just removing soil from the tree roots, but we're actually conditioning the soil as well. So, we've done this work in parks where there's paths across root zones, where the soil compaction is not allowing air, oxygen and water to get to the tree roots, things that the tree needs to be healthy. We're also going to work in some of this organic material into the soil. A good healthy soil has a mineral component, an organic component. What we're doing here is a mechanical mixture of this organic material and incorporate it into the soil. Now, earthworms and other soil invertebrates do this naturally. They'll come up from the mineral soil that's deeper down, come up into the organic layer and feed, and go back into the mineral layer. And they're churning it slowly over time. This is why soil, good healthy soil takes a long time to develop. Now we're sort of doing that artificially with the air knife. We're incorporating that organic material in there.
What we've done right here is expose the root collar of this small tree. This is where the air knife is really excellent in that you can excavate soil from around the roots without damaging roots. You can see that even these fine feeder roots are still intact. But this is exactly what the air knife is really superb at, is exposing roots so that they can be pruned or redirected in the case of some of these young roots. I mean, these could be taken out radially from the trunk and pinned down, especially if they had been circling and they're that small, they can be kind of retrained and reoriented.
Another use of the air knife is for garden preparation. The air knife is nice for the garden preparation because it doesn't destroy soil structure. It alleviates compaction. We're able to work around the tree roots, if there are any in the garden, just like you would if you were working around a tree. And it doesn't kill earthworms. It's a really great tool. So here we are, and we're looking at the soil that we just air knifed. You can see these nice colloids. So we didn't destroy the soil structure. All we did was really sort of fluff up the entire soil. So the air knife is a better way to do garden preparation. It's a tool that was developed for tree roots and doing tree work and examinations, and here we have a second use for it.